So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about WBJEE Counseling 2020. So here I will provide you all the processes step by step that you need to do in order to attend the counseling of WBJEE 2021. So here I will also talk about the schedule and eligibility for each round, and also I will talk about the mop-up round, that is the last round, whether all the student will be eligible for that or not. And also I will talk about the document required for the physical verification as well as for the final admission process. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update in future also about JEE Mains, WBJEE and all other counseling, all other entrance exam also in this channel only. And one more information, if you need counseling guidance for WBJEE, because now it's all depend on the counseling, because you have done the 2 years of hard work to get the seat, but now ultimately it will be the counseling that will provide you the seat. So once you made any type of mistake, no one is going to help you. So if you need any type of counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. And for counseling guidance, you have to register with me, and once you register with me, I will take full responsibility for your counseling. And not only WBJEE, if you do any other counseling also later this year, that is JEE Mains or any other, that I will do without any extra charges. But for the registration, you need to pay some amount, and then your counseling responsibility will be mine. And it is advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, try to contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So let's start this video. So here is the counseling overview. So before going forward for this video, I would like to inform you that I have already uploaded the top 20 colleges under WBJEE, that is the private college cutoff, that is CSIT-EC cutoff. So you can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box. Also you will get the link. One more thing I would like to inform you that this year counseling is different from previous year. So if you don't have experience, try to contact, because once you do mistake, you might regret later. You will not get the best out of your rank that you have scored. So here is the first thing. There will be 2 phases of counseling. The counseling that will start on 13, that is only for the WBJEE rank, but later this year there will be a counseling for JEE Mains student also. That you all know there is 10% seat reserved in each college for the JEE Mains student also. Here is the first thing. So here is the first thing, that is there will be 3 round of counseling. If you have gone through the counseling brochure, then you might know this. That is first round, and then there will be an upgradation round, that is the second round, and the last round, that is the mop-up round. So one time registration, and only before first round you have to do the registration. That is from 13 to 16 you can do the registration, and if you miss it, you will miss the whole counseling. And for the counseling registration, you need to pay only 300 on the official website. So it is very necessary to register yourself for the counseling if you want to attend the WBJEE counseling, because once you miss it, you can't register after the first round or after the second round. So the reserved seat will not be converted to general seat. This is an important information. There is some seat reserved for the home state student and for different category. So that seat will never be converted into general seat. If that seat will be vacant, then also that seat will not be converted into general seat. So choice filling is also done only once. So it is very important to do the choice filling, and the arrangement of the choices, that is most important. Once you do mistake in that, you might not get the best out of your rank. So that's why I advise you take the guidance of any experienced person so that you can do it in a right manner. So choice filling will be done only once, and it will be considered for the next round also. So seat acceptance fee is only 5,000 this year. Previous year it was 40,000. So this is a very important information for the student. That is only 5,000 you have to pay after you get a particular seat. So next is choice rearrangement can be done for mop-up round. That is, for mop-up round you have to register again by paying 200, and after the second round there will be third round, that is the mop-up round, and for that you can rearrange the choices. And what is the condition to register for the mop-up round, I will talk later in this video. So here is the refund policy. You can also ask for the refund if you pay 5,000 and later you don't want to take admission. Then you can ask for the refund, and then you have to talk with the allotted institute itself. WBJEE counseling will not take any type of responsibility for this, but once you ask for the refund, you will get the application form in the website of WBJEE itself. You need to fill that form and send to the allotted institute, and then they will refund your money after 60 to 90 days of all counseling ends. So it is very important to know that once you get the admission, then also you can ask for the refund, that is the 5,000, if you don't want to continue with that college. Now if you talk about schedule and date, so here is the schedule and date. That is the result. All as you all have got the result on 6th of August. From 13th, registration and payment of the registration fee will be done until 16. It will be continued, and in this same period you have to do the choice filling as well, and that is the most important thing. So if you want the counseling guidance, and if you register with me, I will help you for all the thing, starting from the choice filling till your admission is done, and similarly I will guide you for other counseling also that you will do this year. So now the important information is the first round allotment will be done on 19th of the August, and from 20 to 24th you have to do the seat acceptance fee and the reporting to the allotted institute. That is the important information. Earlier it was separate counseling center, there you have to go for the reporting and document verification, but now from this year you have to go to the allotted institute, and that is the college, and there you have to do the document verification, and if you want you can do the admission also. So next I will talk about the document that you need to carry if you want only the document verification, or if you want to do the admission as well. So on 27th you have to on 27th you will get the second allotment result, and from 27th of August till 2nd of September you will do the same thing as a first round, and from 6th mop-up round, from 6 to 8 mop-up round registration will be done, choice of filling, and also the payment will be done in that time. So I will talk later in this video what are the conditions to join the mop-up round and what is the benefit of that. So allotment of mop-up round will be done on 11th of the September, and from 11 to 15 you have to pay the seat acceptance fee, and all the document verification will be done. So the last date for the WBJEE counseling is 15th of the September. So this is about the schedule and date. So here is document required for a document verification, that after you got any seat in first round you have to go for the document verification, and if you done the admission, then also if you get any type of different shift in the second round you have to go to the new college and you have to do the same process again. So what are the document you need to carry, that I will talk here. That is for all the candidate 10th admit card or birth certificate. So it is better to carry your 10th admit card as a birth certificate, and all candidate have to carry the 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet also, and for West Bengal student you have to carry the domicile certificate as well as the PWD, and for a TFW student income certificate also will be required. And some more document is required, it is the rank card, WBJEE rank card that you have downloaded on the result date, and also the Aadhaar card as a address proof. They will ask document if you want to do admission, then otherwise also you should carry this Aadhaar card because it will be used for all the thing, that is identity card, address proof, all the thing. So admit card and photos also. Try to carry multiple photos and admit card of the WBJEE. So and also allotment letter, if you get the seat then download that allotment letter and you have to show them in the college itself, and also the migration certificate of class 12. So if you don't have, try to download it from DigiLocker, and all the documents should be self attested. That means your signature should be there on the copy of all the paper. You should carry 2 copy of all the document and the original also. So will not have any type of problem if you want to do only document verification or you want to take the final admission also. All the thing will be done with this document. So if you find this information useful, so now let me talk about the very important point, that is the steps and condition. That is after each round what are the steps you need to take and what are the condition to join the mop-up round. After getting the seat you will have 3 options or rather 2 options. One option is if you don't get any type of seat you don't need to do anything, but if you got the seat then you have 2 options. Either freeze it, that means you take the final admission and don't participate in the next round. Because after first round you get a seat, then you will have the 2 options. It is either freeze it or accept and upgrade it. That means you accept it, you have to do the document verification, but you will not take the final admission. You are looking for some better college in the next round. So after next round, if you get the seat, you will have to go for the newly allotted college, and you just need to do the admission because your document verification is already done in the previous allotted seat. And if you do the freeze option, that is taking the final admission, so you have to do the document verification as well as admission also. So this thing you have to do, but if you don't get any type of seat, you don't need to do anything, just wait for the next round, that is the second. So after getting the seat, you have to go for the document verification that I told you. And it is very important to note that you have to go to the allotted college. There will be no particular center for counseling. The allotted college will be the center for the document verification and the admission also. So next is failing to which after first round you will not be considered for the second round. Suppose if you get a particular in the first round and you don't go for the document verification, that means you are not interested in the admission process, and you will not consider for the next round, that is the second round. So and your 5,000 will be converted to academic fee once you get the admission. So next is document verification that I told you previously. If you don't do it, you will be not considered for the next round as well as for mop-up round also. So document verification is must condition for mop-up round. So the condition for mop-up round is that if you don't get any type of seat in first and second round, obviously you will able to do the mop-up round by paying 200 again. But if you get any type of seat and you have done the document verification, then also you can register for the mop-up round, whether you have done the admission or not, no matter. But if you have got the seat and you haven't done the document verification itself, then you will not able to do the mop-up round as well, because you don't want to take the admission. That's why you haven't done the document verification process. So this is the information regarding the WBJEE Counseling 2021. So hope you find this video very useful. So please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update about WBJEE, JEE Mains or any other entrance exam, other counseling also in this channel only. So once again, I would like to inform you that if you want counseling guidance for WBJEE or any other counseling, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you have to register with me, then I will take full responsibility for your counseling, and you will get best out of your rank that you have scored. And already I have uploaded the video for top 20 colleges under WBJEE, that is the private college cutoff for CS, IT, ECE. So you can check that video in the I button as well as in the description box. So thanks for watching this video. Once again, I request you, please try to subscribe and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information and they can do the counseling very carefully. Thanks.